Hey, what's happening? Hey, thought I'd try out this new dual recording so you can see me. We're here today checking out this residential application of this heavy duty fence panel. This is a lot of the stuff that we put into schools. It has a 25mm vertical, so it's ideal for schools. This one's 1.5, normally schools are 1800, but you can see this customer just wanted something heavier. So yeah, it does work. If you want to get good airflow through your property, like you want to be able to see what's on the other side of the fence, then this is an ideal fencing product. That's what they call it. 1.5 high with 65 more posts, and also ideal for side gates. You can see this side gate comes standard at 1200 high, and it's completely blocked off the side of the house, and we use steel posts for these hinge posts just to make sure they don't flex or anything like that, but that's what that looks like. So yeah, about 50 odd meters on this one, and it's fully fenced now. Had to repair that little fence on that side there. This little gate was a bit tricky because of the change of height, so we had to put an extra long post in on that side there, you can see. And yeah, it goes right through onto the neighbour's garage there, and then it just comes around this angle. When the posts are on an angle, you've got to use these different brackets. You can see these brackets. They're normally used for raking panels, but when you've got like a 20-degree turn or something like that, these static brackets don't actually turn. They only actually go, give you maybe 5 or 10 mil. You can 10 degrees you can turn. Where these ones you can do like a 20-degree turn. So keep that in mind if you're going around corners. There was a massive hedge in here. We took it out and we just reinstated the soil with topsoil. And yeah, finally we got this double gate. It's been welded with welded sides on it. This is the drop bolt that we use quite a lot. This is the Q bolt. Look up Q bolt, and you can see we just put a timber post down into the ground and drill a hole in it. So yeah, super sturdy. And then on this side we've got a pull top latch. Cool. So that's a quick demo of the heavy duty panel, 1.5 high, black, in a residential setting. If you want to find out more about this product, we're happy to give you a price. You can hit us up at strongfencing.co.nz, and feel free to like and subscribe too. Thanks heaps. Have a great day.